As you all know, that bullet train travels at the speed of 320 km per hour. Shelley, really? But Dad, don't you think that traveling with such a high speed can cause accidents? Now Shelley is asking her father that traveling in bullet train with such a high speed can cause accidents. Anika, interrupting. Children, stop asking so many questions. Let Dad talk about his experiences. Now Anika, mother of Shelley, she interrupted in between and she told them not to ask so many questions today. Father, let Dad also share his experiences. Rohan, that's fine Anika. Children are quite excited to know about the train. And Rohan replied, Anika, that doesn't matter. Let children ask him the question because they were excited to know about the bullet train. Kids, it's not at all terrifying to travel in the bullet train. Japanese firms are very good at inventing exciting technologies. In spite of such high speed, there has not been a single accident so far with these trains. Now Rohan replied to his kids that traveling in bullet train is not terrifying, not frightening, because Japanese firms are very good at inventing exciting technologies. In spite of such a high speed, there has not been a single accident. Kids, that's great. Bobby, are these trains punctual? Not like trains in some countries. Now Bobby, he asked his father, are these trains punctual? Rohan, yes, they are. Sometimes they do get late by just a few seconds or so. They are very reliable. Now students, reliable means can be trusted. Now Rohan is replying that these trains are late only by few seconds, but they can be trusted. Anika, Rohan, how do they look from inside? Are they like a metros? Now Anika, she asked Rohan that these trains look how do they look from inside? Are they like a metros? Rohan, no, well, have a look at these pictures. And Rohan replied, Anika, no, they don't look like metros. Just look at these pictures in the laptop. Now students, see in the laptop, the picture of the bullet train is like a plane. Shelley, the inside of Shinkansen is much like that of a plane. Now Shelley is replying that inside of a Shinkansen is a bullet train, is much like that of a plane. Rohan, yes, it's almost glides on the track. It is so quiet and smooth that one feels as if it is flying. The seats are wider and give you more leg room. Now Rohan is replying that it almost glides on the tracks. Now students, glides means moves smoothly. The bullet train moves very smoothly on the track. It is so quiet and smooth that one feels as if it is flying. The seats are wider and you have more space to keep your legs. They have cart services and one can buy food and drinks from them. So bullet trains have cart services. Cart services mean services offered on trolleys to purchase food and drinks, and one can buy food and drinks from them. So cart services means services offered on trolleys to purchase food and drinks. Bobby, how often did you travel in this train, Dad? Now Bobby is asking his father that how many times he had travelled in that train. Rohan, every working day, because my hotel was booked in Tokyo and I had to travel from Tokyo to Kyoto for my project. Now Rohan replied Bobby that every working day he used to travel in this bullet train because his hotel was booked in Tokyo and he had to travel from Tokyo to Kyoto for his project. Bobby, how lucky. I wish I had also gone with you. Anika, interrupting. Kids, it's bedtime. Tomorrow you have to get up early for school. Nanika again, she interrupted in between and she told them that it's bedtime, that tomorrow they have to get up early for school. Rohan, all right kids, I'll tell you more about my trip maybe tomorrow. Now Rohan also told the kids that he will share his experiences the next day. Kids, good night Dad, good night Mom. Now kids said good night to their parents. Rohan, good night. Anika, good night kids. And Rohan and Anika also said good night to their kids. By this, we come to the end of the chapter. Thank you.